I'm Via. I'm from Timor-Leste. One word that best describes me as a Gen Z is goal-oriented. Thank you.
What's up, everyone? My name is Eddie, and I'm from Timor-Leste. One word that describes Gen Z for me is that we're change makers.
Hi, my name is Aiden. I'm from East Timor, and one word that best describes me as a Gen Zer is envisionist.
I'm Norenia from Timor-Leste. One word that best describes me as a Gen-Zer is a fast learner.
Hola Timor-Leste, my name is Joel Freitas. I think one word which best describes me as a Generation G will be social. Obrigado, Barak.
Hi, I'm Cory from East Timor. One word that describes me as a Gen-Zer is loyalty. Thank you.
I'm Lalo Sabanya from Timor-Leste, and one word that would best describe me as a Gen-Zer is empathetic.
Hello, I'm John from Timor-Leste. One word that best describes me as a Gen-Zer is open-minded.
Hi, I'm Shamsia. I'm from Timor-Leste, and one word that describes me as a Gen Z is fearless. Thank you.